Imagine this. 8 billion people, every man, woman, and child, all jumping at the exact same moment. Would we create a worldwide earthquake? Could we change the Earth's rotation? You might think it's impossible, but the science is more fascinating than you could imagine. Stick around because what you're about to learn might change how you see our planet forever. Visualize this, the biggest global event ever. People of all ages, from every country, synchronized for one massive leap. There's a countdown, 3, 2, 1, jump. For a brief moment, the Earth feels weightless. What happens next? We know about the butterfly effect, but this is something far greater. How would a global stomp affect the planet? What if our collective action set off a chain reaction? Let's get creative. What if everyone jumped while wearing spring-loaded shoes, boosting their leap? Or if everyone jumped on trampolines placed across cities and fields? Could that magnify the impact, making it strong enough to be felt around the globe? Imagine the ripple effects, like dropping a boulder into a lake. Could it cause a worldwide wave of chaos? The science says that a massive jump could indeed register on seismometers and might even be felt as minor tremors in some places. But here's where it gets really interesting. Imagine billions of feet hitting the ground simultaneously, creating a sound wave so powerful it could be heard across continents. But wait, there's an even crazier thought. What if our jump was high enough to slow down the Earth's rotation, even by a fraction? Could that mean longer days, more time to binge watch your favorite series, or worse, unpredictable weather patterns? Don't leave just yet. We're about to dive into how this hypothetical scenario could lead to real-life changes. In our most extreme version, if we jumped high enough, there could be a slight change in the Earth's rotation speed. Imagine this. Days become a fraction of a second longer. Over thousands of years, such a tiny shift could accumulate, altering climate patterns, influencing animal migration, and even affecting human sleep cycles. We might not see the change immediately, but what if, centuries from now, our descendants look back at the day the world jumped and say, that's where it all began? Let's take a look at how different people might react. A scientist, intrigued by the data, monitors seismic activity and discovers that the jump registered higher than any natural event. Meanwhile, a child in a small village feels the ground shake and thinks it's the coolest thing ever. A world leader holds a mock press conference, jokingly announcing the establishment of an annual World Jump Day to bring humanity closer. These stories show that while the event might seem trivial, its impact on our collective imagination could be profound. Think about stadiums during big sports events, where synchronized cheering and jumping create stadium shakes. Now imagine multiplying that by every person on Earth. To put it in perspective, even if the ground didn't split open, the combined sound wave could rival a thunderclap circling the globe. Experts suggest that while our physical jump might not cause catastrophic shifts, the psychological impact of knowing we moved the world together could be monumental. It's a reminder, one seismologist says, of how connected we all are and the power we hold as a collective. While the immediate impact might be minor, consider the potential environmental changes. Dust and debris kicked into the atmosphere could briefly alter local weather. Wildlife might react to the noise, causing temporary migration patterns to shift. If this became a regular event, we could be looking at more significant ecological impacts over time. It's a reminder that even hypothetical scenarios can prompt us to think about our influence on the environment. So what's the final word? A global jump might not end life as we know it, but it would certainly make a statement. It's a demonstration of unity, curiosity, and the sheer scale of humanity's potential. Our planet is resilient, but it's the what-ifs that inspire us to explore, imagine, and appreciate the world we live in. If this video made you think twice, hit that like button and share it with someone who loves mind-bending questions. And stay tuned, because next time we're exploring, what if all the world's oceans dried up overnight? You won't want to miss it. Don't forget to subscribe for more wild hypothetical scenarios that will leave you wondering, what if?